just forgot, like, I started filming, I forgot to put my mic on, so yeah, we're starting over right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Isabel, aka Latina X Baby, if you're new. Today I thought that we would do a challenge video, and this challenge has been going around for quite a while now. Basically, I pick 2 or 3 palettes and I write down each shade as a number on a piece of paper, and then I put it in a container, shake it up, and then I choose 3 to 4 colors to incorporate into a makeup look. So I already got everything ready. Basically, I have chosen these 2 palettes. I will show you. I've chosen the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. The OG, you guys know this one. Let me open it up. These are the colors. And then here is the second palette. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Just looks like this. And yeah, so those are the 2 palettes that I have chosen for this video. And then here is the Victoria's Secret little bag I just found, and then I dumped numbers I've written. Can you guys see right there? Okay, there we go. My camera is about to die, so I'm going to change that really quick, and then we'll get straight on into the video. I'll explain a little bit more. And yes, I apologize, I look like a weirdo, and I apologize if I keep hitting my mic. It's like right here, but I accidentally keep hitting it. So, and then now here is the bag. I finished priming, I did my eyebrows, pretty much ready to go besides applying the concealer on our eyelids, but I wanted to wait because I usually like to apply the eyeshadow as soon as I apply my concealer. I'm just gonna reach right in and begin to, well, I'm gonna shake it a little bit. We've given it a good shake. I am going to reach in the bag and then yeah, shake it up a little bit. Okay, so we've got the first one, and I forgot to tell you, before I open this first one, this is pretty much how I'm numbering it. Why am I pale as fuck? So this is the first one. It's gonna start from this palette, and it's gonna go down from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's gonna go from 1 to 7, and then 8 to 14, and then so on. It goes down the line. Okay, and then for this palette, for the Daisy Marquez palette, it's pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna hold it up this way, so it's gonna start from Royalty down to Naked, from Dream to Dulce, Bougie to Bittersweet, Lust to Cocoa, Cha-Ching to Matter. And same thing with the other palette. So it's just going to start from the top to the bottom. First piece of paper, and I've numbered each one, and that was 55 different eyeshadows. So we've got quite a variety. Okay, the first one I have is 8. I will show you guys to prove to you. There we go. So it is in the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got the color Creamsicle, which I'm not a very big fan of that color, but we're going to use it. Now I'm gonna reach in again. And we pulled out another one. So I'm gonna open it. And this one is the number 23. So I will show you guys. Yeah, so it's gonna go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, we got the color to work, which it is this color, and oh my god, this is gonna be so bad. I absolutely despise these colors together. Got another shade. Come on, give me a brown. 24, y'all. Are you kidding me? I got 23 and 24. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Shade 24. This one was 23, right? I think we got that shade too. So the one next to it, Hustle. Ugh! These colors are just... this is fucking with me today. Okay, we're gonna pull out one more shade. Hopefully it'll be a one that can, like, I don't know, help. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Two. We got none of the BH palette. Okay. I'm gonna show you. 2. So let's see what's on 2. Okay, Beam is number 2. Okay, so this is not gonna be so pretty. I'm trying to think, should we go in with one more shade? 41, which is in the Daisy Marquez palette. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, we went in with one more shade and we got the shade Lucid from the BH Cosmetic palette. So, you know what? We're just gonna stop there, and those are the shades that we'll be able to use. I'm actually curious on what I can come up with today. This is gonna be a little difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna first apply the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer with the BH Cosmetic brush in 4. So this is just what the brush looks like. I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. mirror. Absolutely am obsessed with this concealer and this brush for applying. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna start off with, since the only transition color I have is Creamsicle, I'm going to start off with Creamsicle basically all over my lid. But first I'm going to just blend this out. Dang, I really don't know what I'm going to do. Those colors are just straight up awful. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pop in, the other shade I got was Hustle, so I'm just gonna pop in Hustle. I mean, if you're a good MUA, you can pretty much turn any color into a good look, right? Am I right? I don't know. So I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetics brush 10, and I'm gonna dip into Hustle like I told you guys I would. Oh, never mind, I can't dip into that one. Okay, I'm gonna dip into the darkest color I have, which is Twerk, that bright blue neon color, and apply that on my lid. I don't know, we're just applying it. That's all I got. Jeez, this is not a cute color. I do not like this color. I got shimmery colors. I didn't get any matte. I was hoping to get like matte colors, but like the only color that's matte is Creamsicle, and we're gonna attempt to wing it out. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm gonna take a little blending brush. It's gonna be this blending brush from BH Cosmetics, the blending brush 6, and I'm just gonna blend out the blue. And then I'm going to go in with Creamsicle, which was that yellowish shade. And I'm going to apply that to the top. Crazy person. Now we're going to blend these colors together. It's going to take a lot of blending. And I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to do that really quick, and I will be right back. So I've cut the crease on one side, but since we didn't get a setting shade, what I'm going to do, go in with a flat little brush and go in with the shade Beam and start setting it, but only up to like 3/4 of the way, and then the rest of the way I'm going to set it with Hustle. I'm going to dip into Hustle and apply that to corner-ish. Gosh, this just looks like vomit on my face. You really can't tell the difference between Beam and Hustle. I think I apologize for my audio being fucked up. Okay, so now that we have used all the colors, I'm going to pop in that purple Lucid from the BH Cosmetics palette on in my inner corner later. Now basically what we're doing is just applying the foundation and the primer. I will be right back to show you guys and everything. thing. I'm sorry, this look is such a flop. I apologize. So I have completely finished setting my face, priming, everything, foundation, whatever. You know, y'all get the point. So now I'm going to bronze my face. I'm just going in with the e.l.f. bronzer, super inexpensive bronzer. This is just the simple bronzer palette, but I've actually been really loving it for bronzing up my face. It goes on really smooth. If you're looking for a really cheap, inexpensive bronzer, I highly recommend it. And I'm not usually into like bronzers with shimmers on them. It comes with 2 mattes and 2 shimmery bronzers, but I've actually been liking the shimmery bronzer on these. And then we're gonna go up to our temples, do the same thing to the other side. I'm not obsessed with this eye look, but it is what it is. I'm going to apply some bottom lash mascara real quick. This really is the simplest. What I'm going to do now is go into the Daisy Marquez BH Cosmetics palette and take that color Lucid that we received. And I absolutely love the shimmers on this palette. And we're going to apply it to the inner corner. Yes! Okay, I love this. I love this. The purple goes with like the bluish purplish tint that was on. This is the only thing that we have to spice up this look. You feel me? So we're putting on a lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look for a lip color, lashes, and then bring over a highlight, and then I will be right back to complete the rest of this look with y'all. And then I will go in closer and get a closer look for y'all, and you guys can tell me what you think of this look that I created today. So I'll be right back with those things. I always have to make sure that it's working. So I actually already applied the lashes. Pretty much covers the ugly makeup job I did. But now, what I wanted to do, actually first, before I tell you what I'm going to do next, I'm going to apply some highlight. I really wanted to go in with my Lime Crime Unicorn palette, this shade at the end. Super, super cute. It comes with like a lot. As you saw, I just dabbed it twice. And it freaking is like bam. So you really don't need a lot, but I'll show you guys. It pops a lot. Y'all see that? Like, you just need a little bit. I remember how obsessed I used to be with this in high school, this palette. Ooh, I would like apply this all the time on just my bare skin, like no makeup besides like mascara and apply a little bit right there. Mascara, and then what else? I'm actually not gonna go in with that one. I'm gonna go with the Revolution Sport Fix. So we will just this is like jabbing my what I wanted to do next, for like the heck of it, I'm going to add a brown liner for any lip that I'm going to use, whether it's a cream lipstick, liquid lipstick, lip gloss, matte lipstick, whatever. But I have 6 options in my hand. I have the NYX Professional Suede lipstick. It just looks like that, and this is in the color Free Spirit. And then I have the NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in Soft Spoken. Looks like that. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Saint Tropez. Looks like that. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Toffee. Looks like that. And then I have the Dior lip gloss in Pearl. Just looks like this. And then last, I have the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Times Square, and it just looks like this. It's like coming off. So what I was going to do for the lip section, just to spice things up a little bit, I'm going to call my mom, and then we're going to ask her. I have 6 lipsticks, and I'm going to ask her pick a number between 1 and 6, and then whichever number she chooses. Sorry, I was holding my eye. I will use that lip gloss or lipstick. But let's start it. So I'm gonna call her real quick.
I'm in the kitchen and hi.
Hi, I look really bright right now and I'm recording right now. But I wanted to ask you, I'm doing a little thing, so I just want to ask you to pick a number between 1 and 6.
6.
I didn't talk to you. I talked to Ma.
13, 27, 10 cents. 1.
Okay, bye. So the order that I just showed you guys the lipsticks in, that's the order that that I went off of from the number that my mom chose. So we're going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede matte lipstick. This one, I will show you the color. It just looks like that. But first I'm going to line my lips and then we're gonna apply that lipstick. And this is the one my mom chose. Your girl boofed up right there. You know, fuck it. So this is the complete look. It's not my best work, as you guys can see. I would say it's not that bad. So ignore this lash because it's like fucking me up, but it's coming off, but I don't want to waste more glue to put it back on. So I'm gonna close my eyes and then you guys can see and tell me what you think. But yeah, I mean, it's not like the brightest look ever, but the inner corner highlight really fixed it. So thank you, Daisy. Really, you can't tell the colors I used, like just barely. I look really emo right now. I don't know why. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little weird, but I just thought I'd do that challenge. And I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool to like use colors that I normally wouldn't use together and try to create a look. Did I do a good job? Maybe not. Did I try? And I did. So that's what 2020 is all about, right? Trying new things. So that is what I did exactly in this video. This is my first video of 2020. So thank you guys. Thank you to everybody who is following me, subscribing to me, watching my videos. And again, don't forget to check out my Instagram videos. We've been doing really well over there. We are about to hit 2K. So that's going to be great. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world if you guys could send this to someone and tell them to subscribe to me. Please, 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 with the cherry on top. But yeah, thank you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video.